So the simulation CoE would be very useful for clients in India. This is based on work that we are doing with clients currently and also discussions we have been having with clients. Just as an example, we have been doing work with this auto manufacturer where you need to test their cars before launch, but it's not possible always to get the physical car. So we use technologies like digital twin to create a virtual copy of the cars, and then use a lot of technologies like physical neural network and other aspects to do the testing of these cars. So those kind of use cases are very relevant to the CoE, as well as similar conversations we are having with clients across industries, be it in auto, manufacturing or CPG. The simulation CoE would be a place where clients can come and see the art of possible. They can co-innovate with us. Right, and this could also be a platform where we could co-discover with the clients similar engagements and projects that we can do with them.